What is up, guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and like the content, hey, why not subscribe? You'll be joining a community of really awesome people. Plus, you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing and share my initial impressions with you guys of a Neymar 41.5mm. I didn't know that this watch existed until some of you suggested it in a comment section of previous videos. I really do appreciate that, and if you have any other watches that you'd like me to take a look at, please do share them in the comment section. I will try to look at as many of them as I can. Of course, there's not enough time in the world to look at all of the watches. So anyways, the Neymar. Why did it catch my attention? I think the specs and the price are really good. It has a stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet, a sapphire crystal, a domed sapphire crystal, a Seiko NH35 movement, all of that for $160. Seems like a really good deal. Well, let's open the package and see what this watch is really all about. It's wrapped up really well, so just give me a minute to cut this bad boy open. Okay, here we go. They definitely did not save any money on the packing tape. Used a lot of it, nothing else in this box. So inside of this box, I believe, is the Neymar 41mm automatic diver watch. Nothing written on this box. It's kind of a cardboard box. All right, what do we got? Instructions manual. Oh, that's kind of cool. They show other models that are available. That's a good way to do it. All right, yes, Neymar. I'm not sure which color they sent me for the review. All right, let's open up the package and see what this watch looks like. All right, here it is. Nice cushion. That's a good quality cushion. And what do we got? Looks like a pin removal tool. We'll put that to the side and let's take a look at the watch. All right, I got the black and white version. I like it. I dig a black diver. Black divers go with anything. You can probably hear Bond in the background. He's inspecting the package because I left the box on the floor. All right, let me unwrap all this plastic from the watch and give you a bit of a closer look. All right, I got all the plastic off of this watch. Gotta tell you, they were very generous with the wrapping. I guess they really wanted to protect the watch. Of course, it comes on this stainless steel bracelet. All brushed finish. I believe it has the sapphire crystal here. The case shape, at least, resembles quite a bit the Tudor Black Bay Heritage. This may be considered as an homage, or maybe not. It does have the Mercedes style hands as opposed to the snowflake hands. Also, the dial is a bit different from the Tudor dial. Now, let's test out the bezel. Oh yeah, I like this bezel action. The bezel feels very thin. Well, it is very thin. But it still has surprisingly enough grip to be turned well. If you remember, I reviewed another Tudor Black Bay Homage watch. That was the Courgette, and the bezel on that one wasn't as satisfying as this. Pretty good, pretty solid bracelet here. We just have a simple fold over safety clasp here and the two pushers for the release. It is a pressed metal clasp, it's not engineered. But again, $150 or $160 for this watch. I can't be expecting all the specs. It's done really well. I wonder how this watch would compare to the Orient Mako 2. I actually did a comparison between Orient Mako 2 and the Seiko SKX. That video, of course, can be found on the channel. It'd be maybe interesting to compare this to the Orient. All right, guys, so that was the unboxing and my initial impressions of the Neymar 41.5mm. So far, seems like a pretty solid watch, especially for the $160 price tag. There aren't too many diver watches that offer 300 meters of water resistance, plus all the specs that this watch offers. So I'm really excited to test it out, to put it through all kinds of different life situations and give you all the pros and all the cons in an upcoming full review of this watch, because this could be the best specs for the price watch I reviewed so far. Maybe. We'll see in the full review. I appreciate you watching this video. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this Neymar. Do you have any experience with it? Do you have any feedback for me? All of that would be appreciated. By the way, today on my wrist, I'm wearing a Phoebus Eagle Ray. I did a full review of this watch. Of course, that video can be found on the channel. Absolutely love this timepiece. Also, in the description of this video, there is a secret link. Check it out. I think you'll like this one. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.